Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste text message on iPhone. So first off, for you to do that, you have to open your messaging apps on your iPhone. So just tap in the message you want to copy. So I'm going to copy this. So for you to copy this message, just long click on the message. Once you long click, then you copy. Then you head over to wherever you want to paste in the message. Okay, let's say I want to paste this particular message in my notes. So I'm just going to click. Then I'm going to tap. Then paste. That's it. And also, most time, like in some cases, you want to paste in the message, you don't have to long click. Just tap. Once you already copy something and you have it in your clipboard, just tap on the empty space you want to paste the message. Instead of long click on the empty space, just tap on it. Once tap on the empty space, then it's going to bring in the paste option. You can see you have it on the as an option at the top edge. Then just click on it, then you click on paste again. Then that's it. If you find this video helpful,